Using your Trezor wallet with MetaMask combines the hardware-level security of Trezor with the flexibility of MetaMask for interacting with decentralized applications. Here's how to set it up. Prepare your Trezor wallet. Ensure your Trezor wallet is initialized and set up with a PIN and recovery seed. Install the Trezor Bridge software from the official website to enable communication between the device and your browser. Install and set up MetaMask. Download the MetaMask extension for your browser or install the mobile app. Create a MetaMask account if you don't already have one. Connect Trezor to MetaMask. Open MetaMask and click on the profile icon. Go to Connect Hardware Wallet and select Trezor from the list. Follow the prompts to connect your Trezor device, unlock it, and select the desired account to use with MetaMask. Use Trezor with dApps. Once connected, you can use MetaMask to interact with dApps. Transactions requiring your private key will prompt approval on your Trezor device. Verify and confirm transactions directly on the Trezor screen for added security.